Wow, when you're good, you're good. This morning, day trading live on YouTube at 9:15 a.m. I come on live, I chart out kind of the overall plan. I have an idea, the trend lines, the resistance, the support. We had it all ready to go. And then once the market opened, guess what happened? It played out perfectly, bounced off our trend line. We made an amazing trade. Gonna show you guys all the trades, all the action right here in this video, the setups, break it all down for you and what it's all about, doing it live every morning at 9:15 a.m. If you guys are not tuning in, make sure you start tuning in because we're doing it. We're making it. We're going. We're going. Let's get into it. Thinking this might pull back here below the 20s. Let's see. On the Bookmap right now. Bouncing off the VWAP right now on the NASDAQ, the ES at that VWAP. We got the VWAP at the 19s here. A lot of liquidity stacking up on the Bookmap right now, looking very heavy here. I'm gonna take a trade here just to see if we can get a bounce. This is looking like possible bounce here. I'm risking only $262 to see if we get a push back up to the 20s or higher. I think the risk to rewards there. It might not be the best setup ever, but I think it's pretty good overall R&R. Risk to reward here. Can we push up here? Having trouble. Got my stop at the low there and look like we're stopped out there for $260. Right now having trouble here at the 25s. Like I said, looking for that pullback 20s or lower. Kind of bounce off that 20 area and then we can look for a push up here. Just kind of watching. Big seller once again sitting here at 850. Look at that. Wow. Above this 28 level, we go for the test of that 30s or higher. We'll see if we can get this push up. I'm gonna just ride this momentum here off the 18 support. Looking for a push above the 30s here. Having trouble here pushing through that 28 level. We want to see that just squeeze right through there. We don't want to get stuck here too long and get choppy McChopperson. You don't want a big boner candle. Just need a boner candle. We get one big boner candle, get through that 27, 28 level, then we're going 30 plus, baby. Getting really tight right there. We got the MACD crossing. I mean, hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor. I know I'm always asking, but like if you can hit that like button, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. It really does help out the channel when you guys are supporting the videos. Gets me more motivated to make more videos to help you guys learn more about trading and sharing my journey going through this process, trading futures, and trying to get to a point where I'm making $10,000 every single day. Let's go. Should be able to get through it in theory if we weren't in a choppy market. The 28 level acting as resistance there. I'm gonna move my stop to 21s, guarantee at least $300 in profit here. $900 right now. I could take profit and make more money than 90% of people in the world today, but you know, I want $2,000. Pushing up there to the almost 30s now. I'm gonna move this target above the high just to see if we can't get that breakout over the high here. Bookmap showing a lot of resistance here at the 30s. So if we get through that 30 level, I think we go pretty much, there we go, up to the 33s now. Beautiful. Like I said, break through the 30s here. Looking for more though. I might be greedy, but we're gonna look for that bigger move here, up to that pivot at least. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one order right here to sell at 32. I'd like to see this push above 34s next. And just keep in mind, I got two stops down there at the 23s, so we'll see if we can get this push above 34s next. This whole entire setup played out exactly like we wanted. We bounced off the EMAs, I mean, we bounced off the VWAP, we had the MACD crossing, everything lining up perfectly for the Patrick Whelan signature trade here. Now can we push above 34s next? I'm gonna put an order at 30, we'll say, just put an order right there at 34.50 to get filled. We're long right now from the 19s, so gonna trademark the signature trade here. Oh, there we go, 35s. Let's go, 36s. Let's see, how high can we go on this? Can we go 40s? Let's see if we can go 40s on this last contract. This might be a longer hold, but let's see if we can't push up to the 40s here. Where are all the haters at now? Where did they go? They're all quiet. It's so interesting how when I'm winning, nobody talks. Got buyers sitting here at the 35s, trying to push it up here. Can we get that break over the high so far? 37s. Let me see. Give me that 37.50s. Come on, right here, right here, right here, right here. Boner candle. Need one more little boner candle to the 37s, and then we go, baby. Trying to get filled here at 37.50. I'm going to move this up. Oh, we got filled. Thank you very much. Wee-hee. I think that was... So bouncing right now off that pivot on the SPY at the 381.84s. That next pivot on the SPY is 383.72s. 383.72s, the next pivot. I took a risky trade that I'm long right now off of the 30s. We said that 30 area to be the bounce. Looking for a push up to 45s or higher here. Up there to the 41s now. Running into resistance there on the book map. Can we push all the way through it? I'd like to see 45s or higher here. Just kind of watching that book map here. That 42 level resistance there right now. We push through that 42s. We go 45s. Trying to push through 41 being the high so far. Get through the 41s. Get through the 42s. Up there to the 45s being my target here. I'm gonna move this down to say, we'll say 45 exact, or maybe we'll go 44.75. 42s trying to push through here. Long from the 33s. See if we can get this 10 handles that we want. Pushing 42s here. We're pushing 42. I'm gonna move my stop to the 38s. We're gonna guarantee at least $600 there in profit. But let's see if we can get this push through the 42 strong. Oh, it's like sitting right there. It's so tight. Oh, 42.50s, 42.50s. Oh, just go, baby, go. Need a boner candle. 42's having some trouble here. She's trying. I'm gonna move this to guarantee at least $1,000 in profit at the 40s. Still a little bit of room to push through 42s, but I'll take $1,000 on this trade if we can't push through the 42s right now. That 42.50 area acting as resistance. Trying to squeeze it, trying to squeeze it. Can they go through 42s? Trying to push it, trying to push it, trying to push it, trying to push it. 42.50s. And 42.75, 43s. I'm putting an order out there at 43.25, see if I get filled, or just 43s actually. Just take that profit there at the 43s for now. There we go, taking that profit. We can always re-enter. I'm pretty happy with that for now. That trend line from the 811s, you could have got long at the 811s and just held this thing. Wow, look at this. I mean, hourly chart, we drew this trend line literally at 9:15 this morning. So if you guys aren't tuning in at that 9:15 starting, I mean, there, that trend was, we drew that trend before the market moved down, by the way. We did not know that market was going to move down at open like that. Just so you understand, we drew the trend before the move happened. And look at that, it played out perfectly. New subscriber, let's go. If you guys have already hit that like button, blow up that like button. 642 likes. Let's go for 700 today. Market's just going straight up right now. Absolutely just madness.